Also I got some wooden drawers to store stuff in. I can store my little bits and pieces in there. Nice. Got another one there. And I found the rest of the parts of my soldering iron. Got another tips in there. Some more electronic stuff to pop, have some fun with. Girl Tech Radica. I've got a sound detector that'll be fun to pull apart. There's a microphone in there. It's called a Horus circuit. That'll be fun to pull apart. I also found this catalogue in there and all this stuff. November 2005. Remember when Pentium 4s first came out? Oh, there's our Epic computers back then. Yeah, remember these? These were the shit back then. There you go, Dell Dimension, what was it? Dimension 3100. Pentium 4, 2.8 GHz, 1 MB LT cache, 100 MHz, FSP. Genuine Windows XP Home Edition. 256 MB DDR2 RAM at 1233 MHz, 80 GB hard drive. Wow, these are awesome when they first came out, weren't they? Pentium D. Dual core one. They're pretty bog standard nowadays. It's amazing to see how much have changed. That's when Pentium 4 was the shit back then. Good old Pentium 4. Good processor, but it's a big space heater by today's standards. It's good. It's a good wintertime processor. Use it on a cold day and it'll warm the house up. That's pretty much all it's good for now. Got some more stuff. Radio. And a shredder pen on in one. A light with a UV light in there to speak and everything in there might pop. Another one with a motor in there. You got to say record your password and play it back and it'll unlock it for you. And a 30-second voice recorder module. Interesting stuff. Let's pull them apart and have some fun. The recording module I pulled apart runs on 6 volts and it works. So I can hook up a 6-volt power supply to it and I can record stuff with it. And a capacitor and a transistor and some silicon chips, like a tiny little flash chip or something that stores your recorded message. And I pulled a photo from apart, but unfortunately the Horus part don't work. No response from the mic. It's supposed to dance to the beats of the sound you're talking to the microphone, and it produces a current from the microphone output to the lights and turns the lights on and off as you talk, but it's not doing that. Okay, maybe those batteries are a bit flat. Not enough to run the microphone circuit. I haven't leaked. This is the date code. 2004 Lego Group. 2005. 24th of the 1st, 2005. Let's open these ones up. A lot of mechanics in here. Little interlock with switches, a motor, some inductors on the motor. Wow, look at that. A voice activation circuit. In the voice activated part of the circuit, you record your message. Then it will use your message that you said to it before. Remember what you told it. And you say that message into the microphone. And it will unlock. Nice, look at that. Check that out. For a little toy, it's pretty damn good. That's pretty impressive for a little kid's toy. Batteries go in there. Yeah, there's a switch underneath there, which turns it on when the battery door's on, but turns it off if the battery door's opened. I think it's like an override switch. If you forget your password and you can't open it, I think there's a little override in there somewhere. It overrides it. Nice. That's pretty impressive stuff for a little toy. This news, I think, is the same thing, or very similar, has a UV LED in it. It's got an ultraviolet light in there. Same with this. There's an ultraviolet light as well. Nice. Wow, it's got a lot of SMDs on it. Surface mount devices. More than this one. That one doesn't. That's an old school design. This is a newer, modern design. Well, that's just for a bloody toilet you're throwing a pin once you go out of it. Reset button. No, okay, that's what's under the door. Or the battery compartment. Reset buttons. Spare pen cartridge. This does the same thing, but it locks in here and stops the door from turning open. There's a micro switch in there. Cords for the light. High quality wiring. Button in there to turn the light on. A microphone for recording. And a 4.5 volt wall wart. Oh, hang on, I got one of the mobile phone wall warts. That'll work, the power of this thing. Well, 4.5 volts, I've only got a 7 volt wall wart. That didn't even do anything with this thing. This thing doesn't want to respond. That's pretty cool. Let's see what sort of radio is in here. Obviously FM, but it's so damn tiny. With auto scan function. Scan to the nearest strongest station, you keep pressing it to select your station, that's it. That's a tiny FM radio circuit in there. Small FM radio circuit. 2 resistors or inductors, inductor there, scan switch and the main buttons are all on that chip. The capacitor. 100 microfarad, 6.3 volt. That's a very tiny FM radio circuit. Very tiny. Anyway, I'll just keep pulling these things apart and get the goodies out. What impedance are those speakers? Yeah, put them on the Kinta. Let's pop them. Alright, little lamp, little speakers. What could we play? Where's that royalty free song? I lost it. What am I going to play? How about Bass I Love You. Wow, look at that. Wow. Look at that. That is cool. The voice ball came off the phone. Wow, I'm putting a lot of power in at 0.25 watts. The voice ball came out. There it goes. Smoky, smoky. Is that one? That's funny. Disconnect, don't blow the damage amplifier. Alright, now I'll try the other channel. I've got a damaged channel on here. Half unplugged, so that channel works. Alright, plug it in the other channel. We'll just swap these around, be easier. Alright, turn it back down. Just a little bit of a fight. There we go. Damn. Hey, it's cool. Still wants to work. Oops, I got the cover off the bloody thing, dickhead. That is epic. Oh well. Getting a bit warm, not bad though. Let's turn that off. That's it. Yeah, alright. Music power output 100 watts. If that's the case, then these are probably at least 70 watt speakers. So I could have stuck these in my car, mate. That's funny, I like how to override it. 14.9 to 14.4 volt DC, peak music power output 100 watts. No, I don't think so. Anyway, I popped that pretty good, didn't it? Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.